One day, Postman Pat was talking to Ajay when PC Selby pulled up. There was another officer in Greendale with PC Selby. His name was Michael. "Ajay Baines," said Michael, "I'm arresting you for having a faulty train." No, said PC Selby. "That's not how we talk to people with faulty trains." "Oh," said Michael. "I'll have to be on my way," said Pat. "I've got the post to deliver." And he got into his van. He started his engine and drove off. "Ajay, I've come to fix a train," said PC Selby. "Oh, good," said Ajay. "I don't want to go to jail." PC Selby looked crossly at Michael. So Ajay took PC Selby and Michael to the train. "The trouble is, she won't start," said Ajay. "I'll have a go." So PC Selby jumped in. He tried to make the rocket start, but it wouldn't start. "The rocket's low on water," said PC Selby. "Oh no," said Ajay. "The nearest water tower is ages away." "Don't worry," said PC Selby. "I can go and get some water. I could go back to my house and bring you a big can of water for the rocket." "Thanks, PC Selby," said Ajay. PC Selby got back in the car. He started the engine and drove off. Shortly after PC Selby left, Pat and Jess came back. "How's the repair getting on?" asked Pat. "It's going well," said Ajay. "PC Selby said that the rocket is low on water, so he's gone to get a big can of water for the rocket." "That's good," said Pat. Soon, PC Selby came back. "I'm back with the water," said PC Selby. He went into the rocket, and then he put the water in. Oh no! Ajay and Michael fell over. Quick, you two, you get up. Oh no, Mrs Goggons fell. Everyone's okay. Woo! "Ooh, the rocket's sounding perfect now," said Ajay. "Thanks, PC Selby. All in a day's work for the law," he said, as he tried to jump out the rocket. As he jumped out and hit Michael in the head. Ajay was getting ready to go. Ajay jumped in the rocket and he almost fell out. Oh no, Ajay fell out. Get back in, Ajay. Woo! "The Greendale Rocket rides again," everyone said. "PC Selby," said Mrs Goggons. "Can I get a lift, please?" "Sure," said PC Selby. And everyone hopped into their vehicles.